Oh, this is Miss Sam. Can I speak to Trump, please? Yeah, it's Miss Sam from Miss Sam Signature. Oh, he hasn't gotten back from Texas yet. Him still down there full of the people them like him give a damn. Alright, so when the wicked pension, when him assistant, the vice president, went feed him backside there. Cause me not see him down there and give out any food or little encouragement or shelter or money to anybody. Went feed him backside this, put him by the phone. Yeah, I'll hold. Yeah, yes, Pence. Miss Sam here. We was trying to get you with President Trump, but he still down at Texas act like he give a shit about somebody and not give a damn about anybody like yourself. You just as wicked. Yeah, you know, say I fit him for Pence. You and him. Let me trace your backside since he know their boat, right? Listen good. I fit for why America I go through all of this with the storm, you know, because we're so damn wicked and I don't won't repent of no sins and don't thief the election from Hillary. God vex, we don't know, you know. I said that is vex so, and the poor universe is mad and livid. So there's going to be hurricane after hurricane. May I tell you, brimstone and lightning. May I tell you, so what you have in plan, sir, if you decide to come see me where, or come in and sleep out the door, better tell you something, you and the Trump better fix up a whole landing for me and my family, and we're gonna move in at the White House if the hurricane, that bitch of a hurricane Irma, decide to turn up a Florida, you hear me? Come in and stay homeless, me not stay homeless, because I wanna bring disgrace and judgment on the land, right? So just tell Trump, say, if anything happen, and my backside out the door, he must take me in at the White House, you hear me, sir? You smell it all in secret with the escort service with the stinky, right? May I tell you?